how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, you're keeping safe. So today I am so happy, I am super psyched and I know I'm shouting, I need to lower my tone kidogo. So I'm super psyched that we are finally getting to do our living room makeover. And today I want to go and shop for a few items. I want to go and get a few items, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be getting, and show you the living room tour, so that you can get to see what you're working on and what I want to change, so that you can definitely understand where we're coming from. And then today I transferred my Shaka Zulu vibe from my brows to my hair. So I recently undid my hair. This is how it looks. I feel like the Afro is somewhat of a vibe, but because I'm having a meeting, I'll have to do like a head wrap or something. Think of something to do on top of this, just to make it look a bit decent. Anyway, let me show you guys what I got. This decor mirror that is so dope. Oh my god, I love it. Let me show you guys. So guys, this is the mirror that I was telling you about. Look at that. Oh my god, I love it. Let me move back so that you can see like the full mirror view. That is how it looks, and I love how unique it is. I got this from Studio 254. You can check them out on Instagram and on Facebook. Let me show you guys like a close-up of the details. I think this mirror is so unique, because I know you've seen these mirrors that are being sold in Isli and on online pages that are a bit common, but I totally love this. You can get this from Studio 254. And then here's the deal. So this mirror actually goes for 5k, but you can get it for 4k, a discounted price of 4k, if you use code Agatha. That is it. If you just use code Agatha and then you go and say you are referred by Agatha, or maybe you watched my video and you saw this decor mirror and it goes for 5k, but you can get it at 4k, 4,000 bob only. And I think this is so good, and it's big, because I know you've seen those decor mirrors on Instagram being sold for 6k and 7.5 and 10k, and that I think is too expensive, because this is so unique, and those ones are so common. This is so unique and I love it. You can have it in different colors. I'm going to pin the Aka page over here so that you can have a look what the other kind of ninis that they have. I am blubbering because I'm so late. Let me just go. So you guys check them out. Make sure you shop. So guys, let's go and get a few items. This is the final look that I got. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, just check me out on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. The link will be down in the description box below. Follow me on Instagram, and then I do post more fun stuff over there, so you can definitely check it out. So yeah, let's go guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Come
Guys, so we are back home and I wanted to show you guys the living room tour before I start doing the makeover. And that is just the entrance door and the window. And yeah, I think there's a lot of work that needs to be done in this living room. And over here on this corner I just stacked the items that I got from Fanaka, and I thought of doing this video real quick before the kids get out of school. And as you can see, my walls are not good. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with those speakers, by the way. I don't know where I'm going to put them, but I think we'll figure that out. So my walls need a fresh coat of paint because they have been scribbled on. The paint is chipping, and it's just too much. It is just too much. And on that corner over there, that is a project that we've been working on for like a month and we have never gotten the time to finish it. So we just put this flower on top of it. I don't know when we're going to finish it, but it's a really interesting DIY. So and then I forgot to remove my toaster, so please don't mind that. So this is like the view of the living room. On this side we have the TV side that you guys don't get to see a lot because it's always messy. You can see that big box of toys all over the living room, and it's just a lot. Well, I don't know. So we've been thinking of selling this TV stand, but Alfie is still like not for it, but we are selling the corner stand. You can see the corner stand over there. I'm thinking we should sell it. I got it for 8k, but we're willing to sell it for 4k. So if you're willing to take this corner stand, please come and please let me know down in the comment section or DM me on Instagram. My link will be in the description box. Your corner stand. And then for the TV stand, I don't know. We are still trying to see what we're going to do about that. And I just had to show you guys this beautiful flower box that I got from Agatha. You can check it out. Just reminds me that I'm a super mom every time I see it. So basically this corner stand, I loved it before. I still like it. It has a storage space up here. You can just put a few items over there. It's quite deep kidogo, like the width of that piece of wood, and it's very strong. So if you're interested, please let me know. I'm selling it at half price. It's still in perfect condition because it's rarely moved. It's just there for decor, for your corners that you feel that are empty spaces. And I love the fact that it's absolutely unique. I love it. So I styled it kidogo so that maybe you can get a hint on how you can do it. But most of the items here are from my bedroom. If you're not new here, you know that. So I just placed them on top there so that you can see how it looks. So I'm going to let you guys know about the TV stand, but if you're interested, please let me know. But for the corner stand, we're going to be selling it at 4k. Hit me up, let me know if you're interested, and I can make sure you get it. And on the TV, I'm just catching up with a few of my favorite Kenyan YouTubers when I get time, and that is Miss Kenya. You can check her out on Instagram, on YouTube also. Instagram is what is on my mind. You can check her out on Instagram. And yeah, this is basically like the whole living room. Yeah, and this is the mirror. You guys, please don't forget to check out Studio 254 Kenya for this mirror plug. They have also more stuff over there, so check them out and make sure you shop and take advantage of the code so that you can get a nice discount during this season. And I think I'm going to end the video right about now. Make sure you stay tuned. I hope your notifications have been turned on because I'm going to be uploading the Extreme Living Room Makeover this week, so you don't want to miss out. I'm super excited, and I am going to end the video right about now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and don't forget that Jesus loves you more. Bye.